Here's a brief demonstration of the operation of a FlexiWash FW400. The power switch is at the right corner on the back of the instrument, but before you turn on the power, please remove the protecting U-shaped pad under the shaker platform. Now turn on the power switch. The instrument will start a self-check initialization process. The instrument has 4 color-coded tray blocks connecting to the corresponding tubing system hanging on the left hanger rack. Each color tubing system has 4 tubes labeled with the corresponding solution it will dispense. After the instrument finishes the self-check initiation, you will see that 4 different control menus on the touchscreen that can be easily switched by tapping on the bottom tab. The first page is the main menu, showing the working status of all 4 trays. And you can see on tray 4 it shows clean tray to start new. We'll come back to this. On the bottom right is the speed and the angle control for the shaker platform. The default setting can be adjusted based on personal need. The second menu is the program menu, where individual program is added for each tray. The third page is cleaning menu. This is for system cleaning between separate runs for each tray unit. The fourth page is information page, listing instrument general information. Now we'll walk through the Western blot process setup step by step. First, we'll clean the system before the run. Tap the clean menu and follow the steps listed on the screen. Put a tray into the tray block to be washed to collect washing solution. On the cleaning page, select the corresponding tray, number 4 in this case. Now put all corresponding tubes for this tray into the tube containing 30 ml of wash buffer and the black waste tubing in the waste container. Now we're ready to come back to the screen and press start. Auto cleaning program will proceed by taking wash buffer through all tubings, collecting in the tray, and at the same time remove buffer in the tray through the waste tube. All 30 ml of the wash buffer in the original tube will be pumped through the system and clean the tubing and collect it back into the waste. The whole cleaning steps will last about 1 minute. At the end of the cleaning cycle, the instrument will beep and the status for tray 4 will show as cleaned. Now we'll be ready to move on to the programming page. First, we'll select the corresponding tray for program editing, and here we select number 4. The program page will show the default program or program last used for tray 4. First step is blocking solution. We will select solution A and edit 3 parameters to be programmed. For example, volume, we will enter 10 ml. And for time of incubation duration, we will enter 65 minutes. And for repeat time, blocking will be run for just 1 round, so we will enter 1. Step 2 will be washing step, and so we will select W for wash, and we will edit the 3 parameters, volume, time, and repeat similarly. And in this case, we will change the repeat time to 3. The next step will be for primary antibody incubation. So we will press number 3 and select B, and similarly edit the 3 parameters, volume, time, and repeat. Next, watch step. We'll select wash and edit the parameter. And step 5, we'll select C for secondary antibody. And step 6 is the final wash step. After completing the program setup for each steps of the Western blot, we'll press Confirm. The instrument will automatically calculate the total volume of each solution needed for the set program. As shown here in the list, Solution A, blocking solution, needs 10 ml, primary antibody B 8 ml, secondary antibody C 10 ml, and the wash solution over 106 ml. So we'll come back here and prepare this working solution as indicated. We'll transfer the tube labeled A into the blocking solution, B into the primary antibody solution, and C into the secondary antibody solution. And all this solution can be sit on ice blocks. And we'll transfer the wash tube to a larger container. After double check all working solutions are correct, we will save the program by press Save. You can enter the name of the program based on your choice, so that next time this program can be loaded ready to use. Now we'll transfer the membrane to the proper size tray and load it onto tray block number 4. And press Start. At this point, the instrument will carry through the whole incubation and washing steps for the Western blot automatically, without necessary intervention. Blocking solution, primary antibody, and secondary antibody will be collected back into the original tube after incubation step for future use. At the end of the program, membrane will be retained in final wash solution until user is ready to proceed for imaging analysis.